So basically, where are we and what is going on instantly? Like why I'm in the bus? Like a lot of questions I can able to understand. Like see where I am. Like what is going on? Just give me a second. Once this bus started moving, I will tell you where and what's going on. Stay tuned. Guess what, guys? I have done the brilliant mistake. Like brilliant. Like this mistake. Yeah, so I was saying I have done the brilliant mistake. What I have done, I have bring my fast charger, and that fast charger is like this, from C type to C type, and from here there is from USB to Type C. This is what now how I can able to charge phone. Like how I'm thinking, should I buy the charger, maybe like a USB something? But I will find a charger in my phone. In my phone, of course, in my bag. Congrats. I just saw it. Saw in this pocket. And guess what? No charger. No USB. Like no. I was thinking. This thing exactly comes in my mind when I was leaving home, but it vanished. It vanished like a sky. Dude, it's still 7:52 right now. Our target is to reach till in Kothur till 11:30. Why I'm going to Kothur? Every single thing will get clear once I reach there. I will let you know. And yeah, basically today is Monday. The best part is today is Monday. We are going to do the travel and trade. So we'll analyze the currencies once we start moving. Just don't want to do like messed up things. Stay tuned. So see, like we have a list of tasks to do today, and we are like, but the main important thing is I didn't got my other phone. The other phone is home, so I can do one task at a time. I can't just do multitasking. First thing first, I wanted to edit the videos, upload the videos, do trading, do the analysis video. Again, we are going to reanalyze all the currencies while we started moving, because once we started moving, then like there will be more silence than right now. Yeah, pretty much. Then also like I have to plan, I have to like have call with realistic people. I think I am going to visit to the like a Dubai property thing, because I want to purchase one. So the reasoning will be reaching there. I have like a 2 to 3 contacts in line to reach. To like visit today. So we'll schedule that as well. Oh, we started moving. That's how we go. But the issue is, like main important issue is like I have charger beside me, but I can't charge. Like wow, what in the world is the best thing? So I think so. Like I will do the reanalysis of all the currencies. Check does my like is there any update of or listing the currencies and etc, and then we'll upload that video. This is going to consume a lot of charging. I need to find some kind of USB. I will ask someone, it's just like a temporary basis. I have fast charging, but I have the C to C type. Like why in the world this manufacturer have given the C to C? Like what, does that make sense? It's still a wire, man. Why is a wire? Right, we started moving. Give 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, because once the pole thing, there is one pole here. So until that pole we haven't crossed the pole. This thing is going to like shake like anything, brake, shake. So once we on the highway, then then we are buttery smooth. Then no issues for doing the analysis. Yeah. Alright, boys. I just have done the analysis, and I've given the put that video for uploading on a YouTube. So basically, I'm like 20-30% in the journey. But guess what? My phone, I need to purchase a new phone, man. Like that is what my main priority. This thing right there is a battery consumption phone. Within like almost 1 hour and 19 minutes of traveling. Oh, that's huge. Not gonna lie, but that comes from 100% to 72%, which is huge. So I need to figure out like how I can get the USB from someone to charge my phone. I need to do a lot of things. I will do the video editing because the phone is going to burn like anything. So AC will do his business for cooling down the phone. Stay tuned. Look at the view, man. Like just don't look at the view, just look at the clouds. Doesn't it feel like we are at the airport waiting for our next plane? Doesn't it look like that? Like seriously, look at the beautiful clouds. Like manifestation actually works. And guess what? I, I was about to say, but I will keep at surprise. Stay tuned. Hey there, charging cable is adjusted. So I will just stop using the phone until this phone charged to 100% so that I can give them the USB cable, and once it's 100% then I can able to work on the things which I wanted to work. Stay tuned. Holy shit, like my phone is now charging and it is very hard to do nothing, man. Like I haven't even bring my headphones. Wow in the world. Like we are going to waste a lot of time today, brother. Like a lot. Like it is feel worse. Like this, like doing this and just seeing the clouds. Like it's good for 5 minutes, but then like what to do? I don't even have a notebook, not even a pen so that we can write. I can't use the phone. I haven't bring the other phone. Holy shit! Like today is a lot wastage day. I will never suggest to do this. Okay. Hey there, it's a 9 to, oh shit, what? 9:29? I literally gone into sleep. Yeah, because to do nothing, it's not my work, so I did sleep because I haven't slept for a whole night. I did sleep technically, but I just have slept for 5 hours and I woke up in the early morning. Then I came, like I got ready. Like I woke up at 5 o'clock. I slept at like maybe 1 o'clock, something like that, because I was looking at houses to purchase in Dubai. Ah, so I was doing this. Now I'm fresh. Now I'm a bit fresh. Now the charging. Okay, should I, like I have couple of different things. Should I read the trading book, which will require very minimum charging, and should I do video editing, which will require a lot of charging? I can't do anything if I'm doing the video editing. Probably not. I will focus more on reading book. I still feel like I should be sleeping more, but I will not. You have to do the things which needs to be done regardless of how you feel. Even if you feel sleepy, wake up, do the thing which is need to be done. Look at this, brother. Looks good, man. Looks good. Let's go. A good thing happened right before 1 minute. The driver stops and now for washroom thing. That is how I doing the thing as well. And also I'm having a walk as well. A bit small walk, which is actually increasing my blood circulation, increasing my everything. That is how I'm getting good in heaven. That is how I'm avoiding my sleep to get sleep. Alright, so let's go up. Have I updated this? A Mercedes showroom have called me for a test drive. Should I go? The what it is? The Range Rover showroom also is calling me for test drive. I'm like, hold on, guys, hold on. I need some things to do. Maybe we can do the test drive today. Maybe I need to check, like after the business meetings, after that one more meeting. If time is there, then we'll look into it. If no, then not. Accept it. Hey there, so I reached to the Ramvadi metro station. So now we are heading towards from inside from here. And guess what? I am kind of sleepy now, but it is what it is. I haven't slept then. Basically we are going up. See this. We need to drop to the metro station. I need to find the location where we are going to go. So yeah, hold on. Alright boys, so I have researched, I have done the things, and now yeah, before I start, say this. Oh my god, the sky, the beautiful sky, the beautiful metro station, the highway, and beautiful with this. Now we are looking with this. So now we have to drop to the null stop. Yeah, basically it is like 20 minutes from here. Let's go. Alright boys, we have reached to the Ramwadi metro station, and now we are heading towards the what it is, Null stop. I've took the ticket as well. Holy shit! I was about to fall if I won't please. Look at that, like so much. That right there is so big downside. I mean, I just like that's a weird thinking, but when we just bore well, that time a lot of water comes. But then when this excavation comes, then why a lot of water don't like? It should be burst out. Oh, this train is waiting right here. Holy shit! Let's go. At this, just oh my god, like wow. I never ever saw this view from this side. And look at this, like wow. Look at the clouds, man. Beautiful clouds. So interesting thing. Just hold on, okay, just hold on. That hotel we are going to visit. That right there. This hotel we are going to visit on which is so close. This part is how we are going from the above from this water. Can you just tell me like why this thing is in black? The pillars are in black. Is there any reason like do they water thing or something like that? But the view, I don't know like anything, but the view is phenomenal. Look at the clouds. Brother, see that? I'm literally not watching in the camera. Wow, phenomenal. So what I'm thinking right now, the GBP USD, the currency which we are looking for buying, now exactly what I said, it is going to go bullish. That means upside, but not now. It is not ready for buy right now. We need the candlestick closure above that line, and it is happening to the perfection. I mean to the perfection. What I can even say. Once that candle close, we need to wait for some kind of like retracement. I probably guess so tomorrow will be the best time for taking a trade in that particular thing. I think so. Because if hold on. Let this thing over. Hold on. Alright, the voice thing is over. So what I was saying that, yeah, pretty much even if that is going to close today, I think so, like we are ready to take the trade tomorrow, because even if it's going to close today, that is going to 7:30 maybe 19:30, so most of the volumes are going to get low. So I will be looking for taking a trade tomorrow if and only if the candle close like below 18:30, then I will be very much interested to take the trade. If not, then I am not interested. Like just get what I'm thinking and copy the things. It is what it is. Don't ask me a lot of questions, because right now I'm out. Okay, the first thing, right now I'm out and I can't reply your questions. So understand. Once I go home, then I can able to reply. Alright, thank you. And look at this. We can literally see a whole station. I don't travel a lot from metro, but I have saw from this. I just saw a train from that side. It is strange. Hey there. I hope my screen is visible and I'm visible. So look at this, like GBP CAD. I have told that this is going to go upside. A lot of background voices there. Look at this, like I literally see that this is going to go up, and I can take the trade right now. But it looks beautiful for taking the trade to the upside. But the question is, should we? And I think so. Like every single time frame is bearish, so I will be waiting for this to go bullish and then go upside. Right now, the low time frame is So good, like so good. Like Picasso, like perfect. I love this, you know. But I just can't take it. Like I just can't take this. Stay tuned, guys. This is so good. Like I like this trade like anything a lot, and that is going to miss the profit, brother. But it is what like wow, man. Shit, wow. This thing is going to go up for sure. I just can't take the trade. I mean, just can't. Alright, I will update you what happens. Like, see, GBP USD, I said that this is going to go up and this is pumping upside. We need a closure, candle closure, and then retracement. Once that done, we are good. We are good.
पुढील स्टेशन जिल्हा न्यायालय कृपया प्रस्थानात सुरक्षित
Holy shit, like look at that. Oh my god, like look at this. It's so good. That thing right there doesn't look like a station. It looks like a particular house and we are entering into the house. Holy shit, like is that a fort? Is that a fort? I really am not like able to recognize, but it looks like a fort. If yes, please comment down. If no, then no. I really haven't saw this side, man. Like wow. Next stop is ours. Dinner stop. Yeah. Pretty much we are so close. After dropping there, then you know I gonna have to contact some. You know, like that's a weird name, but it is what it is. Some kind of puri. I mean that. I just don't like that. Literally don't like it. But I have to contact. It's a ma'am, literally like a praying ma'am. So I would saw him. I would saw her. We'll drop the call and we'll tell you. It's to the destination of Nurse Stop. Now from here it's like a walk, 5-minute walk, and of course I'm not going to take the rickshaw for sure. I need to be more healthy, more fit. So rickshaw is not an option. Just for a walk. It's just a 5-minute. If you can walk for 5 minutes, then what the fuck you doing, man? It is what it is. Let's go. Look at this. I like this system. Now here also we can go down, and from there also we can go down. Now no matter of what, you're going down in a right, correct, what it is, left or right way. Because a lot of time if you just check out, you just can't go from this way to that way, and that is how you got stuck like anything and you fucked up. And that right there is not a good sign for, you know, like we have to do research like anything about like in which side we should take an exit to go for the correct position. Yeah. The fuck I'm talking. Let's go. Yeah, so we have, you know what, let's go on that side. Yeah, now it's computer. Now I can track and analyze the Gadi is coming from up front. Literally, we're so close, so close. I mean, a lot close to reach to a destination. It is like wherever I'm going, I am going for the job interview. Voila, I came to the wrong side. I took the wrong turn, and that turn was literally shown by the Google map. And now it is showing that I am in the wrong turn. Like, wow. I'm not saying Google map mistake. I'm saying that's my mistake. I won't check after that turn. I literally trust the what it is. Trust the Google map. I was like, yeah, we are right. And now I can able to see exactly right where I start the video. I will just go on that side. So that side looks safer for me. You can tackle the cars, other things which is coming from front. But where? Shit, I asked one girl and she said like go from here, go from here, go from here, and she literally follows like she was also wanted to go to the metro station, and this thing was taken right from the metro station. I took the left because I asked the rickshaw and I trust the rickshaw. And I messed up. Then I asked her and she was like, yeah, this. And yeah, basically she told me her name. Now I will find her. Not really. Come on, man. I just don't want to. Maybe I will. Just wanted to say thanks and whatnot. But I am more focused to make more money. Okay, not to get into this praying things. Until now, like as right once the money start getting into the bank account, brother, we are good. We are literally good. All right. All right. This right there is the building. And now finally found it. This is Quantum Walk. Errand. I still can't spell this. Like errand 1A. Now we have to figure out how we can go up. Every single thing is parking. Looks like how we can even go up. Like there is no signs. Like no, there is like literally parking. I need to ask someone. Oh man, who I interview? यहाँ पे कुछ खाना मिल रहा है बस खा लेते क्या? Let's it. What to do? So यहाँ पर is missile power is like 50 and बाहर let's go to actually yeah I think so. 50, 60, 70, right? If you just say 2 plus 2 power. Then now we have to think, okay? Like every single transaction has to be thinkable transaction. 50, right? So 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. That will pull my stomach. Then I can go to home. But is it okay if I eat missile power and go in a bus? That will make me vomit. What to do about it? Right, boys, I have took the missile power. Yeah, let's eat that done. Hello. Let's eat this. Oh, I'm sitting on the road. Brother, the quality is good like anything. And it is hot as well, so everything is getting in line. I like it. Right, boys, so we have finished. I mean, I love the Picasso. The missile power was good. Now now I'm thinking to drink some of the beverage, cold drink, juice. And I can see that there is a beverage or juice, fresh lime, what the fuck is. So yeah, we'll do it and then we'll move. Of course, not going to take any kind of heavy juice. I'm just going to take limu sharbat because that makes sense. That literally hydrates us. That literally, like, I love limbu pani, man. Like other than any kind of juice, I love limbu pani, and that is what it is. I can see the chair over there. I don't know. I have to wait here. From here. Like from exactly right here we can take the metro. Like wow, beautiful. So looks like I'm thinking is this a Kalyani Nagar? No, this is not. In Kalyani Nagar there is a Mercedes showroom. I wanted to see the GLS 450. We'll go there, we'll see that and maybe have taste drive, maybe not now. I just don't want to taste drive that straight right now. Yeah, I just want to see why the people like GLS 450. Not sorry. GLS 450 they already have a test drive. G-Wagon. I was talking about G-Wagon. So I wanted to see some payment plans are available on that. We can easily take that in the cash, but no, as a financial trainer, I should what the fuck. So as a financial planner, I literally know you should not pay a whole thing with the cash. You should always invest the whole thing in the cash, whole thing into somewhere which is going to generate the income, and that income you have to pay. That percentage income is going to pay with the EMI to the EMIs what we have done for the car. Basically, that's how the rich people are doing the rich things. That is how it is. Really, these chairs are not comfortable. See, this chair are made from metal. To slide that thing, it takes 90% of your energy. Wow. And this is not this thing is not even comfortable, man. See, the chair is over there and I'm so far from the table. And see, let's test this. Oh, cool. I mean, yeah. थोड़ा और गोड होता है हुआ रहता, but I'm good. Citric acid, I'm good. So I can able to see. No, will not talk about it. No, no, of course not. This thing cost me 20 rupees. So minus we are down 50 minus 50 rupees minus 20 rupees, 50, 60, 70, almost a dollar. Almost a dollar we are done. And we're going to make that back again from market for sure. Times 1000. Oh, this is good, man. This is refreshing. I will rather take this. There is no comparison, man. There is no comparison. What I'm going to do, like, I have no idea what I'm going to do. Should I go directly at home? Or, like, what I should do? Should I go directly at home or, like, how it goes? Like, what I can do? Like, I have nothing to do here, you know? And why I even waste my time? Like, I have nothing to do. Right here, I have nothing to do. So I will take the metro, go to the what it is, Yerwada metro station. There is where their bus stops, and I will hop onto the bus and go to the Ahmednagar. Basically, this is it. Alright, boys, I have finished this. Let's go back to home. Anything I can do to motivate myself? Hell fucking yes. I will go. Yeah, we have planned this. Kalyani Nagar metro station. I'm going to go there, and basically I just want to revisit to the. Yeah, I will. Oh shit, yeah, I have to visit the real estate. Oh my god, I have a lot of things. So yeah, got it. Here how it goes. So I have to visit the real estate mall, which is maybe somewhere near. I will check. I will contact him. Second thing, I have to visit the Mercedes showroom to see the what price the GLS sorry not G-Wagon is. Any payment option. Of course, I'm a financial advisor. I'm a financial guy. I know we should not pay a full amount. We should of course not. That money we will be investing into some asset which is going to make the EMI, and that EMI we are going to pay that right, that the percentage which you are making, that percentage is going to cover the EMIs of the car. That is how we are going to get our own money, also the free car. That right there is the best option to do. So I have finished this. I will contact that real estate. Hold on. I love this song. Alright, hold on. Alright boys, so I have called the Mercedes which is in Kalyani Nagar. So I said like G-Wagon is available to see. She is like, I will let you know. And she is calling me in 5 minutes. So once she called me within 5 minutes, so I can drop to Kalyani Nagar, or I also have to change the ticket. Basically, from here to what it is, Yerwada. So yeah, it is what it is. Let's see how it goes. And pretty much there are no trades I have to. Yeah, I'm waiting for her response so that I can able to visit to the Mercedes showroom. It feels good, you know. Like I'm getting involved with the money. I hate job and I don't want to get in that for sure. So we are going towards Samvadi. So I would love to go by the walking stairs. I received a call from the Mercedes. So they says like, yup, you can. Alright. Yeah. Hold on. I'm thinking something. Something is coming in my mind. Alright, just gone. Done. So that something was coming brilliantly. Idea was coming in my mind while I was having conversation. So now yeah, we are heading towards the Kalyani Nagar. After we drop to the Kalyani Nagar, have you done this? After we drop to the Kalyani Nagar, then we are going to visit the showroom. After that, we are going to go back to the Yerwada. After that, holy shit. After Yerwada, we'll take the bus to Nagar. That's it. So next station is Kalyani Nagar. I like very much probability that we'll be reaching within 2 minutes. Right now it's 13:55. After reaching there, I had a word with the Mercedes showroom. What it is, manager. He says that what it is, G wagon is available. So I'm going for checking that. Perfect. And this happens when I hop onto the metro. Yeah. We're coming, brother. I would love to take that car. Wait, say this. Today in the morning, the girl I met, which is in the MasterCard, she helped me to find the metro station. She helped me to find the office which I was looking into. Cool, isn't it? Signing off. Okay, we dropped. Now let's go to the Mercedes showroom, man. I'm so excited. I mean, this is my second time. I'm not that like, but yeah, it's a Mercedes, man. Like, it's still a premium car. Not gonna lie. A lot of people can't buy that. Brother, we still haven't took any kind of trade because every single thing is consolidating. I was knowing this. This is going to happen, and that right there is happening to the perfection. Should I go from here? Should I go from here? I need to check now. This is what I hate, you know. Spotted this. There is Mercedes showroom right there. Yeah. So we need to go from here. Exactly, like from here to right this. Then let's go. What are we waiting for? They'll be like, who this fucking weird looking alien came? But they don't know. I'm a trader. I'm a profitable trader. Literally, I look weird, man. I'm just not made for this kind of dresses. Look at how the fuck I'm looking so weird. Like, wow. The weirdest Uddesh you can able to see. And then look at the beard. Look at this. Oh, fuck. This is getting captured in the camera. So let's go. We have to take the right turn to go to the right direction. Alright, guys. Signing off. Lot of things I'm seeing, like a lot of couples I'm seeing, and they're enjoying like anything, like bike ride, some are in a car ride, and I'm like trading here, making I'm focusing to earn money. I'm not into this kind of things. I'm just focused into fucking making money. And guess what? I am making money. And the best point is, I don't give a fuck. But yeah, that weird feeling comes that, oh my god, I don't have this thing. But it is what it is. Once I go in a foreign now, you will see, brother. You will fucking see. You will be like, oh, Uddesh was not like this. Uddesh was not like this. Oh, let me cross the road. Perfecto. Here we go. That right there is a Mercedes showroom. Do you even dare to come here? No? You guys sucks. You should go inside, you should see, you should talk. Anyway, I'm going in. Cool. Holy shit, look at this. Look at this is what we are talking. And that is GLS. No, that is GLS 300. I have done the hold on. Is this GLS? No, that is not. I have done the taste drive of GLS 450 in the BU Bandari. It was phenomenal. Like, this thing is the whole next level. Alright? I'm going to say this for sure. Right? Please. The service is so good. Like, there is one person who is approaching me, having word, telling me what is going to be said. Like everything. This is what the perfection. And that is why I love her. Now if I just go in Wagoner, oh shit, Maruti is like, it comes into money now. If I just go in a Maruti Suzuki thing, then I have to opposite, man. This is certainly opposite. The more money you pay, the more goods you get, and that is right there. So what I want, fucking look at me. This is the this is these models, man. Oh yeah, I want to ask them. I literally because I saw that Alex has took the not exact but some kind of model for almost $3,000. I'm like, what? I will ask like why yeah. That he purchased in Dubai, and I'm like, fuck, beautiful. Wow, like we'll go from here. Wow, I love this. Like Picasso, it is so good. I mean, hold on. I like this one. Like I that the one which I saw. Oh shit. The GLS you saw. Oh shit. I mean, I am just mad on this. I'm like, fuck. I wanted to purchase this. This thing is so attractive, like anything. So attractive. And I like this such cars. Alright, I need to go there. Hold on. Brother, I literally feel poor that time. I mean, I gone and then holy shit. My budget is 10 crore for the cars for right now. Okay. I told them. What the fuck happens? You won't even believe what happened. He took me down. There was GLS. Oh shit. It feels so good. I mean, like I saw the real money, man. And I asked him, is it okay if I shoot? He said no. This is like you should not shoot this. I said I'm completely okay, no problem. That is a 4.2 crore car, and I'm like, it is looking so good. Like, how? The feelings I'm saying, you won't even believe that car. Now I'm getting mad for that car. You know, I literally want that car, and I'm going to do it for sure. Just mark my fucking word. I'm going to take that car. Now this is the reason I gone to that showroom now. To feel poor, to feel poor. To come to the ground. Come to the ground. Man, that car is so good. Like, wow, I just love it. I love that car. I want this car. I literally want that car. It's so good. Like, I was not even having a daring to go and open that car and and then from parking to the upper deck where the showroom is, I gone there and basically I saw the 1.5 crore car, 1.5 the ticket counter. I want to talk 1.5 crore car, and that car what the fuck, that car is ready available right now to take the car right now. Like he said do the booking. I said like, fuck, this is so sista. And the per month EMI is just 3 lakh. I was like, fuck, what the fuck is this? Like, 3 lakh? Are you crazy? This is so sista. This thing is so fucking. One more couple. See this. One more couple. I feel jealous of this guy. I don't have couple. Holy shit, man. I don't need anyone. I don't need. I have to say this. I have to say this to be okay. Come to the money. Money is only the one goal. Okay? That car was so good. Like 1.2 crore. I was like, I'm going to take this and I'm going to drift this car like anything. I was like, I want this. I said like, I want this car at 24 number at anyhow. He said like you can do booking at 10 lakh rupees and then you can do the financing. I'm like, yeah, I'm coming, brother, I'm coming. It feels like, wow. I just opened the door of the car and I saw, oh shit, I saw the real money there. I saw the real Mercedes, the real luxury जिसको बोलते ना, that I saw. I was like, oh shit. Yeah, this is the exact car. Yeah, this car I saw. Actually, this is not the exact one. That one is different. Like super. I love it. Guys, I can't buy instantly. I can't just buy. I wanted to buy it, but I can't. This is what I'm saying, brother. Every single thing is depend on money. You should always work on the money, not other things. I feel poor, man. I feel I am poor, but literally I feel poor like anything. I want that car like anyhow, any fucking how, man. I want that car. I'm going to do any possible way to do this. To get, and the GL, oh shit, the GLS. No, not GLS, the G-Wagon. I saw the real fucking money. Is this? Yeah, this is the car I was talking. Oh shit, yeah, this right there is the car. Exactly, this is the car I was talking. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This car I saw, and like, not gonna lie, when you open the door and when you never see the things which you ever going to ever saw, your reaction is going to be same. It's a fucking same. You drive Wagoner, and if you see the real money, oh shit, you'll be shocked. You'll be fucking shocked. That right there is, and I got shocked too. I wanted to create the asset as fast as possible so that I can buy this liabilities. This cars and every single thing is liabilities. I wanted to create asset. Now to even. So now the EMI is 3 lakh rupees for that car. If we just talk about 1 crore car, to purchase the 1.2 crore, 1.5 crore car, I have to deposit the 10 crore into bank. Then bank will pay me 6% interest rate, which is I don't know about total, but if we talk about per month, it will be 5 lakh, and that 5 lakh will be easily paying the EMI of this 1.5 crore car. That is how I will get the car for free, get my money. I'm not even losing money, and that is how the car is totally free. I mean, car is my bonus thing. Car is fucking free, man. This is how, and this is what I'm thinking. So I just can't purchase. Even if I got 1 crore, I can just certainly go and purchase. I have to create the asset, and then I can purchase the liability. That is what I have learned. That is what I will be doing. So let's go. Let's go inside. Let's take the ticket. I'm just shocked, man. I love this, man. I want to purchase that car, man. Wow. I saw the real fucking money, man. Signing off, guys. Now we metro. Let's book the ticket. Still thinking about that car, man. When I opened that door, holy shit. The thing which happens in front of me was a beautiful thing. There, the lift comes. Oh man, I'm still into this. This is so good, man. When I open that, like I'm still like, this is what I wanted to do, man. This is what I'm. The next stop is Ahmednagar, of course, my hometown. I'm going to definitely come here to visit the Westin Hotel. I want that, man. I want that car like anything. Imagine my reaction is this. Imagine my mom, that reaction will be. The real fucking money I saw. The real money. I have never ever saw such things, man. The real money I saw, man. The real money, which is when I opened that, like again, when I opened that door, I wanted to shoot that, man, but I haven't. I was like, oh my god, is this for real? Just imagine if I am a millionaire, and I was like, I wanted to purchase this car. Done, let's purchase. First of all, if I will be millionaire, I will not be here, right? I will be somewhere else, Miami or USA. I will definitely not be for sure. But it is what it is. Signing off. But I love that car. I saw it like, wow, that right there is a fucking money. And whatever now I can flip, man. I can flip. Now I know this. You know, like a lot of people. I'm super different. I'm just thinking about money, man. You guys are thinking about girls, or maybe if you're girls, you're thinking about boy. Oh my god, that boy is good. For me, thinking about us. I'm thinking about money. I'm thinking about traits. That is what's separating me. I want that car. Like now, hell fucking yes. Let's do the challenge, should we? Within 24 November. So right now is today is 3 November, isn't it? No, 4 November. Oh yeah, 3 November. Today is 3 November. Okay, 3 November. Okay, so how much days we have? 3 threes are now. 3 minus 21. How much? Because I wanted to purchase that. I'm looking for purchasing that car at 24 November. So 3 November to 24 November, how much date difference is? So 24, 0 to 24 is 24 minus 3, 24, 20, 22, 21. Exactly 21 days. We can change the whole entire thing within 21 days. Cool. Cool. Let's do the fucking challenge, brother. Let's do the challenge. Hell yeah. Hey, let's do the challenge. Within 21 days, I buy 1.5 crore Mercedes. Holy shit. Let's do the challenge. But if I got the 1.5 crore, I will be not buying the Mercedes, man. I just can't. Even if I got 1.5 crore, the price of the Mercedes car, I just can't go and buy that. Of course not. I have to. I wanted to at least need 10 crore to buy that car. But if I have a 10 crore, then why I will be stay here? I will go to Dubai and rent this car. Then rent this cars for dollars. Like why? You know what? Actually, let's do this. Let's do the challenge, man. The challenge is going to start to make 1 CR within 24 days from zero, from nothing. Can we do it? Very probably, I don't know. If it is whatever is going to happen is going to happen about our thinking. If I believe it is going to happen, it will happen. So what? Like nah, here we go. If like that things are connected. If I feel like if I have 1 crore, I will be not staying here. I will go into Dubai and purchase the house rather than purchasing the car and staying at a poor house. That doesn't make any kind of sense. So I think so. I will within 21 days rather making 1 to 2 crores and purchasing the car, rather making that amount of money and go to Dubai and stay there for a year by paying 5 lakh, even 5 lakh per month if you just give for the rental in Dubai. 5, 10, 50. Holy shit. Let's do this actually, and there after we go to Dubai, there we'll rent the supercars. That will be awesome. That plan is good. So we'll do this. 24 November is my birthday, and basically I don't think so with the trading I can able to earn this much, because to be realistic, I have to start the business. I have to do something, to make this amount. So we'll do this, okay? 1 crore. Let's make a 1 crore within 21 days, because 24 November is my birthday. We'll do this. Making 1 crore and shifting to Dubai. That's a nice idea. Let's do this. And this all started, all this idea. Let's do the challenge actually. I will just create the playlist and I will post the video on YouTube right now. Right, within 21 days I am going to make a 1 crore and I'm going to shift to Dubai for sure. That is what going to happen. I know that it is going to happen by trading, but not now. The trading, earning in crores in trading is not possible right now. At least it is going to possible within 3 months, 3 to 4 months. But right now it's not possible. So I have to look into other things like selling fucking course or selling the Signal is the one of the business model. I have to start much more businesses, or start one business and go all in. Holy shit, no one is thinking about money, man. People are just sitting and waiting. Oh shit, my dad is calling. Hold on. Brother, look at this. We are about to reach to Yerwada. Am I saying it correctly? I don't know. But the view, the greenery, the clouds, wow. Super. I like it. Okay, so we have reached to the Yerwada. I don't know I'm speaking it correctly or not, but it is what it is now. Going down and then we'll look into it. Also we got bunch of project man, like 5, 6, 7 days project. I will let you know what I'm talking about later on. There, so this is wait. यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. So exactly right after the metro station, just come, and over here there is the some kind of container type of thing is this. This don't have any fan, don't have any AC. It is what it is. Accept, brother. And now we're waiting for our bus. Literally, this got tilted. See this. This literally got tilted. It literally feels like it is going to fall down. You know, is this going to fall down? If it is fell now, we are going to die. For sure. Alright boys. It's better to stand outside rather than standing inside. At least some air is going to pass. But there is a fucking sun is coming out. Like this sun. So we're gonna have to stand up somewhere right here to get at least some kind of air. So we're waiting for a bus. I haven't took the charger, man. Like, wow, just wow. Very good. That sign is the not good sign. So I was saying that we can, you know, like, let's do the challenge of making 1 crore in 21 days. Yeah, you just have to be crazy enough to believe it. If you believe it, you will do it. Exactly like I did. A 1 week challenge. Within a 1 week, I'll make 1 lakh INR within a week. The same thing. I have believe in this. If I believe in this, I will make it. Guess what? I will. What I will do? I can't just like my bat is 56%. So also like I have to visit over here in a Westin Hotel at 7 November. Also, oh shit, this right there is I have to shout a lot just to make sure my voice is audible. Look at the view, man. Wow, the metro, man. The view looks good in camera, but in real life, you realize. So we are waiting for the ma'am is waiting here. The ma'am is in charge of this. Holy shit. So she says that the bus is coming. That means you're gonna have to wait and wait for a long time. Just don't come and ask me again. That is what she wanted to say. So now, I'm literally going to plan this. I believe in this, I can do it. We'll do it for sure. Signing off. Either trading is going to be the main income source of this plan, but it is going to be, I don't think so we can make like 1 crore or something like that within 21 days in trading. For sure we can make it within after 3 months easily, but now with that small capital this can't. So much sound pollution, so much. So I have to figure out like how I can do it, and we can do it for sure. Stay tuned. Hey there, I hope my screen is visible. See the chart. GBUSD we're looking for buy, but it haven't do the things which I wanted. No buy. Stay away. On other hand, GBP CAD is doing the thing which I wanted, but it is not showing the things which I wanted. It's very different between doing the things and showing the things which I wanted. So we haven't buy this, and basically Euro JPY and rest of the currencies is doing the things which I wanted and very much getting ready to take the trade in tomorrow. So we'll check back tomorrow. We just have to figure out how to do nothing, and I'm very bad to do this. So yeah, pretty much this is I'm waiting for the bus. So signing off. I will close the screen sharing. What? Let's do the timer, man. Let's do the timer. I literally want to see like how much time we have wasted by standing. Even we can sit, but the sit is not the good sit. Yeah, it is. Literally my hands. Oh shit. Sit is not a good sit. That's a very worst mistake in speaking English, but it is what it is. So yeah, let's do the timer. Okay, so right now is 15:31. We have came over here at 15:25 or 20. 15:20. Let's start the timer at 15:20. We'll see when the bus is going to arrive. Thing is a process of booking the online. I literally can. That is what it is. Booking in Marathi. So don't able to understand. Holy shit. Wow, this thing is a mix, you know, like I can read this number of influence pay now. I mean, then why it didn't make it full English or make it full Marathi? I don't know. A waiting game is the most worst game, man. I'm waiting from. I guess we wait now. The time is holy shit, 40. Literally 20 minutes happen. Okay, countdown is started. 20 minutes happen. No bus. Not a single one. Alright. The other are going. The other buses are going. The other means the name says Lalpari. But I don't want to go in that. No. That's my lastest option. Alright. But now this is my main priority because that right there is not a, for me it's not a hygienic thing. There is a, nah, for me this is a hygienic thing. So yeah, so disturbance, I can't even think about the thing which I want to do to make that 1 crore within 2020. We'll do it for sure once I say it, but I want to think it. But the distraction is so much, I can't sit, even the seats are there. I mean, it's little like, the cake is in front of you, but you just can't able to eat, because you just can't. That's it. So, same thing is happening, the seats are there, but I can't sit because I wanted to, but I can't, because that's how wash dirty. I'm waiting. Well, I think so, like, let's predict the things. Within now 20 minutes, right? Every 30 minutes there is a buses, but which is what I have read in the morning. I don't know that is correct or not. It's just the information I read. So we'll see every 30 minutes. Technically 20, 40. Oh shit. 20. That means within 10 minutes the bus should arrive. If not, we gotta wait. You know what? That Lalpari we talk about. I saw the 3rd or 4th Lalpari which is gone right now. Which is half empty. Oh, the 5th one. Holy shit, like a half empty, man, half empty. And guess what I'm doing here? I'm waiting. Wasting my time. It's better to go in that bus. But no, we can't. Hygienic matters, brother. Now I'm hygienic guy. Hygienic matters. Time also matters. Both matters. But I will take hygienic. Oh shit, what is that? What is that? Like why? Oh. If you know, tell me, man. Is that a water? Is that it? No? But yeah, now my legs are paining, man. Oh shit, man. I wanna sit, man. I wanna fuck it. I'm still thinking about that Mercedes car, the one which I saw. Oh shit, the showroom one. Perfecto, man, perfecto. Now we just have to figure out like how we can make it possible as well. We're back. It's a 15:54. Oh my god, almost 45 minutes, man. Almost. I give up. Not gonna lie. I literally give up, man. But giving up, even though I give up, I have no option to wait and stand. But I give up. That's true. And if you pay this much, the frequency should be higher, man. There's no bus, okay? I literally wasted my 1 hour, like almost 1 hour. If I just took that other bus, I will be almost half in middle of the road. Oh shit. This much time difference, I can't afford it. Okay, so we got bus. Exactly what I predicted. Almost 1 hour and 50 minutes of waiting. Not actually, not 1 hour 50 minutes. I came here at 3:20, 13, 15:30. So no, 15:20. Right now is 16:13. Basically, almost 1 hour. Almost 1 hour we took, and the frequency was like a 30 minutes. But it is what it is, brother. Signing off. So the game plan is right now is what my game plan is. Right now the battery is 46%. Even the charger is there. USB sucks. I don't have USB. So I just can't video edit. I can't video upload. I can trade. Yeah, what we can do is trading or reading book about trading. So that's all I can do. Reading book will take more charger because the screen is going to be on. I hate this phone, man. Like I just can't do anything if battery is below 50. Means the more like this 3 hours is going to waste. Voila. Congrats. I want USB, man. How I can. I don't have. I should purchase one, man. But I don't have. What will I have to also plan the things which is 1 crore in 121 days. Shit. That is also have to plan. Also I can't shoot now. Like a lot of things is coming from car. And just can change when we just get the charger. I need to find a charger as fast as possible. Like there is no USB for me. We'll find someone who can have. All are sleeping, so I don't want to disturb someone. We'll look into it later on. Brother, it's almost 29 minutes in the traveling, and guess what? It's very hard to do nothing. I mean, watching the clouds. I mean, it feels good for 5 minutes, but then after 5 minutes, it's frustrating a lot, like anything. My phone just dropped from 49 to 42 for no reason. I hate my phone. So now we need to figure out how to do nothing. Also trying to think that the challenge one which I'm thinking. So it is not eating concentrated. I need a proper setup for concentration. I'm trying my best, but yeah. Basically we have to figure out how to do nothing. If we stop at some place, I will charge my phone so that we can get back to the work. Let's look at the building. Hey brother, look at this. Like right now is 18:58, and guess what? We are finally have arrived to the destination. That is Ahilanagar, my hometown. So we'll drop up here, and basically, officially, the whole day wasted. Officially, almost whole day. But I'm after reaching home. I think so now. My time is more going to waste because the sister kids are home. They are going to disturb me. We can't able to work. I hate that, but it is what it is. Accept it. What more? Yeah, I was searching the Zoom car. Can I rent the G-Wagon, Mercedes G-Wagon, and I can't. Then I found the other option, that is Thar, Mahindra Thar, which is so cheap, like so 4,000 for a whole 24 hours. It's so cheap without fuel, except, but still it is so cheap. I thought like it is going to go for 20,000-30,000, but expectations versus reality is totally different. So yeah, this is what it is. Also, I haven't took any trades up till now because no setup, man. So from all of the currencies which we have shortlisted, only 2 currencies is showing the things which I wanted, and I will be taking the trades in tomorrow if everything is going to be if everything, hold on, my distraction, I'm getting distracted. If everything which I want is getting shown tomorrow, then I will be very much interested to take the trade. I will update you whatever happens so that you can also make money. Yeah, so yeah, signing off.